So hey you guys, this is Slimy Breezy back here with another video, and I am going to be making crazy art clear slime. So this is where I make all my slimes, as you can see. So the things that you'll need something to mix with. You'll need some glue. And you will need to activate it. I got borax here because if I do the eye contact solution method, the baking soda don't dissolve and then it don't make slime. So then it just look like white glue and it'd be like chunky and stuff because it'd be borax stuff in there. And I just made this so this is still hot. So keep caution. And then you'll need a bowl to mix it. So the first thing you will do is get off like the excess like glue and stuff that was in there, and it's pretty clean. Oh yeah, and I got this for $2 at Big Lots, and I got this for $1 at Family Dollars, and I got this from Five and Below for $4, and this came in like a hair store, and I forgot how much I paid for it. And I got some borax from the store. So for the shoppers market, from the Giants market. So the first thing you will do is pour your glue into the bowl. It might have like tiny glitters in here. There's nothing extra added, like no glitter, no dye or nothing. Then I'm just gonna mix it all together so like the glue can be like all formed. And now I'm going to be adding my borax. Add a little bit at a time. So like you don't come up with like a slime that's like hard. So yeah, you'll know when it starts coming together when like it get chunky and don't stick to the sides. And your slime not gonna be crystal clear yet, so it's gonna have some air bubbles, but like it's still going to be clear though. I don't recommend using eye contact solution because you need baking soda to put in it. Elmer's glue, yeah, the baking soda does dissolve when you mix it in there, but in Crazy Art Glue it don't. So yeah. And then it makes it all watery. And if like you don't have it, if you don't have like a stronger like if it's like coming together barely, so you just take like a little, you just take like, you will take like a half of tablespoon, and then you add it into it, and then you put the top back on. I don't use use borax, but for this school, yeah, I did. I still got Elmer school, but I'm trying to wait for my gallon of glue to come. So, yeah. Oh yeah, if you didn't check out my Amazon package when my glue came yesterday, go check that out. So, go check it out so I can dissolve. And then you want to pour it in. Make sure it's hot water. The method is 1 cup of warm water. I boil mine in a pot, in not a pot, but you know, the electric pot things. And yeah, and you need a tablespoonful of borax. My friend gave me some borax for free since I gave her some slime for free at the beginning of 5th grade, and I am in 6th now, and it lasted me for like the whole time. I had like 2 of these bags, and it was up to like right here. So like I had a lot of borax, but then I started out with the time method, and then I did the borax, and then I did the eye contact solution, and I stuck with that. I never tried the Stay Flow. I don't want to try it, but I don't think it'll make very good slimes. I think eye contact solution is the best way to make slime to me. I don't know about other ways. Borax, yeah. Borax is good. I just don't know about that laundry detergent. I need to go to Michael's. I never went to Michael's before. I'll order off a line while I go to Walmart. I only went to Target once, and they had glitter glue, and I got 2 bottles of pink, 2 bottles of blue, 2 bottles of purple. They had red, but like I didn't like the color, so I didn't get it. And that was a long time ago. So I don't know if they have some now. And my birthday's tomorrow, so I might get some slime stuff. Maybe. It's on Wednesday, so I don't know. I'm probably just gonna get like nothing and wait till like the weekend. So after you mix all of that, yeah, you want to get like the slime excess off of there. And then you'll want to set this to the side, and yeah, I just set it to the side. And then you want to knead the slime with your hands. This is actually a really good slime. It's just not crystal clear. And then you'll want to like, after like when you play with it and stuff, yeah, you want to go on like the sides and stuff and like get that slime. And then knead that in, and then keep on going around till you got all your slime. And then I'm going to just slowly up. And then you want to put it in an airtight container or like a Ziploc bag or whatever you will have to, like, all I do is have to have a lid on it. See, like, it's almost close to when it just needs to take like the bubbles out. No slime get left behind. So go subscribe to me because this is my second video. Go subscribe to me and like this video. I am going to be showing you the face line. It is very stretchy. It is very soft. When my scents ship in the mail, I will put this in my slime. I don't know. And I am going to be making Captain Crunch slime and birthday cake slime. When my phone will arrive Friday, I believe. Yeah. And my another white gallon of slime. Of glue, a gallon of glue. And I ordered some white glue too. Some clear glue too. So I'll have 2 gallons of white and 1 gallon of clear. And it's like coming like the 21st through the 24th or something. I ordered it off of Amazon. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. Go down below and subscribe to me, and I am going to be doing a giveaway in the future. So if you subscribe and comment down below that you want a shout out, then a shout out or a giveaway, and comment down below. And if you say that you are a part of Breezy Squad, yeah, I will give you a shout out. So go comment down below. You Notification Squad, Subscribe Squad, Breezy Squad, Like Squad, any of them squads. So go comment down below, subscribe, like, and comment, and you will be entering the giveaway. So bye.